In the last video, many of you have asked me about the preview model we have included where we can provide the details about the doctors. So they can provide the details about themselves. So the AI can be trained on that. And then when the user will ask any question related to the service, related to the treatment, the appointments, is going to behave and respond accordingly. So many of you have asked me about the preview model. So let me show you. So right now you will find that you will come back to the AI settings. And here you will find that, so we have this option. You can also embed in your website, in your existing website, like you can use the iframe model, you can use the JavaScript framework. Both will work absolutely fine. Now, if you come back here, you will find that I have already given a bunch of details about my account, about myself as a doctor. And you will find that I have given a bunch of services which I have included. So if I come back here, if I go back to this preview model, I will come back here and here I can able to test all the services which I have created before I go live and inject in the website. So you will find that I can click on this book appointment and I will have this option. I can click on this and here we have all of this option which I can pick. So for example, I want to go with follow-up and I can take this, let's say 29. So right now you will find whether it's available or not. Just wait here. So this is available. I can pick any slot. For example, I will go with like this one. Here I have to provide the details. So I'll pick this dollar and I have to give the contact details. So make sure to give a valid details. Now, if I click on this review, so make sure to check the details. Now click on this confirm. The moment I will confirm, it's going to book the appointment and I will receive the email right in my email and the doctor will also receive the email. So I got the emails right up here. So if you haven't watched this particular video, make sure to watch it till then. You will understand every single thing about the feature we have included and how you can do the setup. What are the models we have and how we can able to inject. So this is one way to book an appointment. You can also have a chat. So let me come back here. Let's click on this and I can also have a chat and provide the details. The AI is going to book the appointment, which I have already explained in detail. So you will find that the moment I have booked the appointment, I will have all these stats right up here. The recent book appointment, I got it. So this is the recent appointment, I got it. No, I have to go back to the appointments and there I will find the appointments which I have booked. If I go back to the book, you will find that just now I book it for 15 minutes and you can see the time frame. It's 29. So I have booked the appointment. Now the question is, I can come back here and if I want to inject this one. So if you will find that you can simply copy this one. You can copy this portion or you can copy this portion. Once you copy that one, you can come back here. This is the code editor. Now I will come back here. This is the cardiologist website currently which is live. So if I come back here, you will find that this is the totally separate website. You can see the domain is a different domain and this one is a different domain. So I have injected in this. So let me close this one and you will find that I have already injected this one. So if I change the theme, I really don't like this one because the cardiologist theme is red. So let me update that one. So if I click on the save, it will be saved. If I come back here, you will find that the moment I will give the roll load, you will find that it's going to be red. Now, if you want to see how I have injected this one, so I can come back here. And I have taken this iframe and that's what I would recommend you because it will take less to load. If you use a JavaScript, it's going to be a little heavier. So, but depending on the architecture of your application, you can use it because sometimes this one is better and sometimes this one is better. But this one is always I would recommend you. Come back here in the code editor. Our doctor website is running. So I'll simply bring this down. And if I go back to the layout, you can embed this anywhere. If you go to a specific page, you can embed, or if you want to go to other pages, you can do that as well. So if I come back here, if I go back to the application, here we have the layout. So here I have simply injected that one. You can see this is what I have simply copied and injected that one. This is that simple. This particular unique is your clinic name. So when you will register as a doctor, you have to create your clinic and you will have a unique URL for yourself. And that's what you have to provide here. This is the details I have provided. You can simply save it and the website would be live. So the website will be live. Now, if I want to remove it, I can do that. I can simply select this portion. I can comment this one and now I can come back here. It's gone. If I want to bring it back, I can simply come here, save it and it would be available right up here. I can simply come, I can select this one. I can have the chart. I can book an appointment. Let's say it's 30 and here I got it. Now it's loading. I can select this and I can select, let's select the same one. You can provide the actual detail. The patients will provide the actual detail. I can click on the review, click on this confirm, and the transaction is going to be happen. Not transaction, is going to book the appointment. Let's click on this and you will find the appointment is booked successfully. I got the email. Perfect. So this is how you can book the appointment. If I come back here, you will find all the details about the appointments which you have got. So this is how it will work. This is how you're going to embed this model frame and you can simply literally, you can start your own business. You can start your own project, just target a small market. Target a small market where you want to provide this service, because this is the project we charge almost a lot of money for it. The reason why I'm making this tutorial to let you know that there is a huge possibility you can fill up the gap, the problem which you can identify and fill up the gap and provide it. So if you get like 200,000 user, just imagine that how much user you have. If you make a money, you can also pitch your idea to the startup founders. You will get a lot of funds. Trust me, you can do this one. So I hope you have understood about the feature. If you have any question, in doubt, just let me know. Or you can simply come back to the blockchain coder. This complete tutorial is already available on the YouTube channel. Now you can come back to the YouTube and you can watch the complete video. It's already available. You can come back here to the channel and this is the video you have to watch. Just watch this one. You will understand every single thing about the setup, about the architecture. That's all we have discussed extensively. So make sure to watch this one. And that's the only thing I want to cover. If you have any question, in doubt, do let me know in comment section. I'll definitely try to help in that. With that, I'm ending this. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.